it's okay. You don't have to start over. You can just unravel, and it'll still look really good. You can see it already taking shape, so it looks really, really, really good. Base here, and what I like to do is I just like to sit the flower right there on the base and then slightly unravel. And you can do it to your liking, like if you notice that you don't want it very loose, you can definitely alter that. But then just go ahead and push back some of the petals and you can kind of see what you like. And I like to use like an X-Acto knife and just get in there and bend some back. Now you can also push these back. You can also like curl them or anything before you go ahead and roll. It's kind of up to you and what you prefer. But I kind of like to do it as I go, because I don't want it too perfect. I like it. I like the realistic look of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue this. On the size and the roll what you're going to come out with. The size you cut your flower is definitely going to be a factor as well. But as you can see, that one came out very, very pretty. Center, nice and tight. Looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to one of my favorites. This one looks good in so many different colors again, and I'll show you a loose roll. Center's not gonna be it's not gonna be as tight as that flower. This is a very loose roll. And this was a smaller cut as well. And then you have your base, loosen it, and look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and just glue that one and just play around with it for a little bit. For these petals, you can push the backs back. It looks really, really good. Just bend them back. This is just absolutely one of my favorites. good in any color. And this was a smaller cut, so it's definitely going to be on the smaller size. Whether you have it loose or tight, it's definitely going to be on the smaller scale. Very pretty. Okay, and another one of my favorites. So this one, let's see, we'll just give it a roll. This one looks really good loose as well. So we'll do this one pretty loose. I did the center a little bit tighter because I like this one with the center tight, and you'll see why. Kind of how it is like this, it just gives it more of a realistic look. And this one is one of my absolute favorites. I know I said that about the rose, but they're both my favorite. And as you can see, it just looks very, very pretty. And you can use this with pretty much anything. It even looks good on like hair bows or shadow boxes. Pretty much anything. And it looks good in any color. I'll show you guys this one in the lavender, how beautiful it looks. It just looks so pretty. So I'll show you guys. Okay, and that's it. I mean, and then, you know, once you get the hang of it, hang of rolling, hang of cutting, you know, you can pretty much play around with them and, you know, find a preference that you would like.